The pig's foretrotter includes a human-like arrangement of the superficialis and profundus tendons. Handle the tendon at all times with the tip of a hypodermic needle and not with forceps, as it may crush the tendon. If the end of the tendon is irregular, trim the tendon ends to square and neat. Preserve the length as far as possible. The Kessler suture technique is used to approximate the tendon. Insert 4O ethiflex suture in the proximal tendon end first, starting at the cut end. The entry suture should pass through the middle of one half of the section tendon and follow parallel to the collagen fibres to 1.5 centimetres or twice the diameter of the tendon, and then exit. The transverse component of the suture passes a loop back just distal to the exit point and goes through the central half of the tendon. The reciprocal longitudinal suture pass is now created, exiting accurately in the middle of the second tendon half. Keep the suture loose without tying it. Having checked carefully the orientation of the tendon, repeat the similar procedure into the distal end. Make sure that the distal end lines up with the proximal end, and then tighten the suture without tying a knot. Use the hypodermic needle to check the position of suture and alignment of the tendon, and then methodically tighten the suture in the same sequence as the suture was inserted. Tie the tail and needle end of suture with a 3-throw reef knot so that the knot is buried within the cut tendon end. Remove the transfixing hypodermic needles and apply tension to the tendon to check that the suture has been performed adequately. If separation occurs, the suture must be repeated. Insert a running suture using 4O nylon. Insert the needle into the paratendon approximately 2 mm away from the cut edge, with the same distance at 2 mm apart. Rotate the tendon using the hypodermic needle until the continuous suture line is completed. Tie the original starting suture at the end by a 3-throw reef knot.